Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody is doing well on this Tuesday morning. Still morning at this point. Today, we want to talk about DACA in particular with regards to what is going on with that program ever since there's been a decision where it forced USCIS and immigration to start accepting DACA applications. So, according to a report, I think it was released by the Associated Press, 171 new applications for DACA have been approved from November 14th till the end of 2020. Okay. That means that they're clearly adjudicating these applications. That means that the cases are going forward. However, that same data shows that 369 applications were rejected. That means that a lot of people are not submitting the proper documentation, or that they submitted it ahead of that decision from the federal court, meaning that USCIS decided to reject them because they thought that they didn't have to accept those applications until the court started accepting them. Either way, it's a statistic that's important to keep track of because rejections are not denials. They just mean that there was something wrong with the submission, or again, if they were submitted before the court then ordered USCIS to accept these, it could be possible that USCIS rejected them because that was just their policy at the time. So it'll be interesting to see over the next few months what the statistics say with regards to the application or the processing of these applications. During that time, there was also 121 applications that were denied. That means that the person was not eligible for what they were seeking. So that's something really important to understand, whether you're eligible or not. And the requirements are on their website. We talk about them all the time on our webpage and on our social media and different platforms. So make sure you truly understand whether you are eligible for DACA or not before you apply. You essentially throwing money away if you don't, properly determine whether this person or you are eligible for this relief. Last but not least, all in all, they said that there were 2,713 initial DACA applications submitted from November 14th till the end of the year. So that means that there's a lot of them that remain pending at this point. How long will it take to process these is impossible to tell. Just depends on a case-by-case basis, but also by officer. So it'll be important to see some of these statistics, how they develop over the next couple of months, to see if they remain strong with regards to, being very picky about the requirements. If with the change of administration, things get different, it'll be interesting to see that. But one clear thing is that there were a lot of rejections. So regardless of the reason, make sure that you understand all the requisites with regards to submitting your DACA application. If you're not certain what those are, if you're not sure about what you're doing, feel free to contact us or contact an attorney that is, of your trust, to make sure that you can submit that, and make sure that you check everything along with your attorney before you submit that. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys have, or you can contact us directly at the office. In any event, I wish you guys an excellent day and a great rest of your week. Have a good one.